SVAG recommends that any diagnosis and maintenance is carried out by a fully trained vehicle technician. Direct shift transmissions are engineered to give seamless gear changes. This is in order to make driving easier by making the decision of when to change gear and to leave the driver to concentrate on the traffic and the road condition. The 6-speed direct shift transmission featured in this video is used in many popular Volkswagen, Audi, Seat and Skoda models. This sophisticated transmission requires regular oil and filter changes to keep the smooth double-clutch system and its computer-controlled mechatronics unit operating within very fine engineering tolerances. The controlled transmission implements shift commands in a sequence of precisely coordinated actions, with each change taking less than 0.04 of a second, optimizing gear shift quality and feel. The transmission oil plays a major part of this and is regarded as a very important transmission component, allowing the gear shift to operate completely smoothly and efficiently. This is made possible by using sophisticated additive packs within the base oil. Over time, the transmission fluid and additives packs deteriorate, causing these carefully engineered friction coefficients and viscosity to alter. If the oil is not serviced, this can lead to overheating in the gearbox, causing the wet clutch pack to burn out, which can then lead to poor gear selection, loss of power, and eventual transmission failure. The direct shift transmission can only operate effectively with clean oil. To ensure the transmission's long life, smooth operation and performance, SVAG recommends that regular transmission oil and filter servicing is carried out to the vehicle manufacturer's recommended intervals. SVAG high-quality lubricants offer optimum friction behavior, thermal stability, providing ideal aging resistance, ensuring great wear protection under all operating conditions, and guaranteeing the best possible corrosion defense, ensuring the oil continues to protect the transmission, keeping it working efficiently and effectively. This video is for general information purposes only. Please consult the manufacturer's handbook before carrying out any repairs to your vehicle. SVAG will not be held liable in the event of any direct, incidental, special or consequential damages suffered in the course of using the information in this video.